got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Alright guys, so here is my 2002 Honda S2000, formerly Supercar Suspect's car. So this is the infamous car that fell off the lift. And if you guys don't know by now, I bought the car, I repaired the car, we plasti dipped it fluorescent yellow. That lasted for a little bit and then it faded. So now this is 2.0 of Bruised Banana. Hope you guys like it, and I'll go over some of the specs. First off, we'll start with the color. The color is Avery, and it is gloss rock gray, and True Auto Creations killed it with the wrap. So we gave them a lot of crazy complex shapes on the Spoon body kits. The Spoon front bumper, and I haven't put the fog lights or the plexiglass over the fog light areas just yet. I have to wire that all up, get that all done. You'll notice it also has these little fender extensions, and that is because the Spoon front fenders are also a little bit wider. They give you the option with this bumper to run it with or without the wider fenders, and that's pretty much that. We also have the Battle Arrow chassis mounted front splitter. So this is actually chassis mounted to the frame, fully functional. You can see me standing on it, all 180 pounds of me. Front wheels, it's actually square setup, so we have N-key RPF 1s. They're 17 by 10 inches wide, 255 Nittos all the way around, and we also have ST43 Robustus brake pads, so a race brake pad. We decided to go with black on the mirrors and black on the windshield surround as well, just to kind of tie everything together, give it some contrast as well. And we also decided to go black on the inlays on the door handles. So we did that just to kind of contrast. You'll also see Spoon over fenders on the rear, so this gives us more clearance in the back. All the fenders are chopped. We have all the video footage of us cutting that and getting it ready for the over fenders. So we also have a Spoon wing, and it is made by VIS actually. It's one of their replica wings, but it's carbon fiber, whereas the Spoon one wouldn't be. So besides the rear wing, on the back end we have the tow hook. So we have tow hooks front and rear, and that's pretty much it. It's still got a stock exhaust, and you'll see we trimmed this out, so it kind of has those rear vents as well to get some heat out of the back wheels. So as far as color choice, the reason why I went with a subtle color is because the body kit is so aggressive, and the last color we did was that fluorescent yellow, and I wanted something to accent the actual body kit a little bit more instead of just being such a bright, crazy color. So I like the way it come out. Thanks again to True Auto Creations. They absolutely killed it on the wrap, and Ben M6 as well. Definitely go check them out for all your wrap needs if you're in the Riverside County area. And we're going to be taking this thing to the track. As far as mods right now, there's not a whole lot, but we do have a lot planned. It's got an AP2 engine, and I have a standalone AEM EMS that we're going to put in and get this thing boosted since it's Boosted Motorsports. But if you guys have any questions on the whole build, I have a whole playlist down below, a bunch of videos on the entire build, all the bodywork, right from when it fell off the lift all the way till the way you see it now. So make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check out all those playlists down below. I'll link them, and let me know what you guys think of the new car, Bruised Banana 2.0.